Downloading data from Zelle can help you keep track of your transactions and manage your finances. Follow these steps to download your Zelle data. Step 1. Access your Zelle account. Log into your Zelle account through your bank's mobile app or website. Ensure you have your login credentials ready. Step 2. Navigate to transaction history. Once logged in, locate the section for transaction history or account activity. This is usually found in the main menu or under your account settings. Step 3. Select the date range. Choose the date range for which you want to download the data. Most platforms allow you to customize the start and end dates for your transaction history. Step 4. Choose download format. Look for an option to download your transaction history. You may be given choices such as CSV, PDF, or Excel format. Select the format that best suits your needs. Step 5. Download and save. Click the download button to save the file to your device. Make sure to choose a location on your computer or device where you can easily find the file later. By following these steps, you can successfully download your Zelle data and keep your financial records organized.